Okay, today we're preparing all these beautiful cuttings of this rosemary so that we can clone them. We've got Beauty stripping the leaves. We just split a little bit like that, and then we cut them down to about 2-3 centimeters, and then we get them ready for cloning. We'll show you the next phase when it's ready. Okay, we've got a nice mixture of cocoa peat and soil, just normal compost that was taken from our compost heap, and then we're filling up these seedling trays all the way to the top. Then we're going to water them. What I like about these specific seedling trays is that the pockets come out like that, so when we've done rooting we can just pull them out and get them laid out on the farm, which is quite nice. Although you can use any seedling tray you want, even this. Let me show you. It's just a flat tray, no compartments. We just fill it with a nice medium, and we plug these rosemaries in just like this, as you can see. On these, I think they call them flats. They call them flats. It's got holes at the bottom. We just fill it and we lay all the clones inside. So give the seedling tray a good soak, let that flood out, and that's when we're going to start planting after that. Alright, we've got a few different seedling trays here. We've got the shallow cavity, round, square, shallow cavity, round, and then we've got these bigger cavities, so we can show you that it works in all sorts of trays. We've got our cloning stock over here. Everything's green. Alright, so I've got my station set up. We've got our bigger cuttings, as you can see, like this, and then we've got our smaller cuttings, as you can see over here. And then all we're going to do is we're going to place the cutting inside the semi-hardwood cloning powder, and we're going to place it into the seedling tray, just like that. And the best time to do these clones is pre-spring, when it's not too hot. That way these clones will lose very little moisture while they're catching, because they do take a long time to catch. They take over a month. So that's what we're going to be doing, and we're going to fill up all these trays. We're going to fill up the flat trays, we're going to fill up these bigger diameter round trays, smaller diameter round shallow trays, and these square trays. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Okay, we've completed our first tray. This is what it looks like. Looking very pretty, nursery ready, and this is how we go. And it's as easy as that, everybody. Alright, so the smaller stems we're going to put in these polystyrene trays in a cooler box, where we use a wicking system, where we're going to flood water from the bottom there with my fingers pointing, and just to make sure that these things always have moisture. And we're using a cocoa peat medium over here. Alright, so we've got all these cloned up, just soaking, because the cocoa peat takes a while to absorb the water, so it's just soaking in this deep water. And then we have all these trays that have already been pre-soaked, all planted out, all the clones, and we'll keep you updated as things catch. So this is one variety, and this is another variety, all rosemary. And on that side there, on the floor. So we'll keep in touch and we'll let you know how everything goes in between the dills.